select all wells. Or click the Clear Wells to clear the settings for all wells. Select multiple wells, set the sample type to unknown specimen to be tested, standard sample, NTC, namely no template control, calibrator, negative or positive control. Then set the fluorescent channel for different dyes according to your experiment design. Choose or enter the target name. Tick out the load box to display the target name in the corresponding well position. When Channel 3 VIC by default or Channel 4 ROX by default be chosen, Channel 5 CY3 by default cannot be selected. Otherwise error will be indicated. Channel 3 and 4 can be selected for the same sample simultaneously. Enter the sample name. Tick out the sample box in the View section to display it in the corresponding well position. Enter concentration or copy number for standard samples. Set the replicate symbol to replicate wells with the same setting. A demonstration of absolute analysis. Suppose the standard samples consist of 5 different concentration with 3 replicates for each concentration. Select 15 wells. Set them to standard sample type. Choose SYBR dye. Set the copy number to 100 for the first 3 standard samples. Tick out the load box. Set the replicate symbol. Set the copy number for other standard samples in the same way. Click the option buttons in the View section to switch the display within dye name, target name and concentration. That is all for sample setting. Load the sample. Press the Load button on the control panel of the analyzer to eject the heating block. Load the samples onto the heating block exactly as the layout designed on the software. If the tests are too few, for example only several tubes or 8 well strips, place empty strips on both short sides or empty tubes at 4 corners of the heating block to hold against the hot lid. Or simply put the PCR-96 well plate onto the heating block. Press the Load button again to enter the block and samples. Run the program. Click the Run button. Choose the file path for the save of the data. The analyzer will run the program. The status LED will blink in green while running. The fluorescent readings are displayed in real time in the form of column for each well. Wait until the analyzer stops running. Data analysis. On amplification screen, set the method to spline. Adjust the threshold line and the cycle threshold value will be updated and displayed on the right. Tick out the delta Rn box to switch to the display of normalized reporter value. Click the analysis button to display the standard curve, and the copy numbers and CT be displayed on the right. Choose File, Export on the menu bar to export the sample setup, fluorescence, image or CT values to file records. On melting screen, click the Return button to display both the original normalized reporter fluorescence curve and the negative first derivative of normalized reporter fluorescence curve. Choose File, Export on the menu bar to export the sample setup, fluorescence, image or melting temperature values to file records. Note, after you click the Change button, save the file to another name, or the original data will be overwritten.